everyone, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'm making a redemption video. So, one of my very first videos, I believe it was my first, was from a challenge from Yamez over at Ironworks Forge. I'll drop a link to his channel down in the description down below. And I made an S-hook. I made quite a few S-hooks actually. I'm not sure if I made them all in that video or if I just made one. It's been a little while, but as you can see, my shop's upgraded. I've gotten better. It's been about a year since I did it, and so I'm gonna go from like about a year ago to now. I'm gonna show my progress. So about a year ago, I just cut out with an angle grinder just a little, probably like 10-inch piece of like really thin metal, like a thin, probably not even 1/8 inch round bar. And now I probably have about 3/8 inch round bar on the fire right now, and I'm gonna make a drastic improvement, I believe. So I'll just show you my progress over about a year, and yeah, so come along with me on this journey and see how much better I do. If you haven't seen the first video, it wasn't that great, but if you want to go check it out, I'll put a link in the top right. Yeah, so let's get right into it. It's hot. I'm just gonna square it up quick. Alright, so now that this area is squared up, I'm going to taper the end of it. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like right now. It's quite large, but you know, I just went with the flow. I wasn't going to cut it or nothing. But now I'm going to twist the center of it. Alright guys, so there it is. Got the S-hook. Pay attention to the end. I'll have a side-by-side comparison. And it'll be in the thumbnail too, it should be. But yeah, so there it is. I'm going to coat it really quick and it'll be all done. So thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate you guys sticking along. It's been, you know, a decent amount of time to make this. It took longer, purely because of the fact I had to bring it out of some like thicker stock and draw it all the way out. And then I was having some trouble with the twisting, but I got it in the end, and I think it looks really cool. It's a little big, as you can see, compared to my face, about the size of my face. But yeah, and it's starting to rain now, so I think it's about time to wrap up. So, thanks for watching. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Goodbye.